We're aiming to put this car on a top 10 list.
To break the world record.
It's a rough canvas, but
it's rough.
Yeah, you niggas don't want war with us.
How far we want to take this.
you see the bigger picture here.
Do you want to make this a 6-second Civic? What up YouTube, welcome back to the channel. Today we are stripping Cacho's car. First day of the basically tear down and rebuild process. Like I said, the plan is to get this car ready for World Cup finals. We have a lot of time, but we really don't have a lot of time.
Good thing is this car's gonna come apart real quick. A lot of zip ties.
So we're gonna plan to pull this motor out. I'm gonna try to get a mock-up engine in here. Basically tear everything out, brake booster, the complete drive. It's gonna be a nightmare. It's gonna be a shit show in here, but give you guys one more walk around before the tear down actually happens. Motor's in the car right now. I don't think it's good. It runs, but I don't really remember what exactly happened to it. Pull the trunk out already, got to pull a nitrous bottle out, fuel cell. It's looking really rough right now, but I promise you the finished product's gonna look so good. And document this process so my boy Cacho could see the whole thing. Show you guys the interior one last time. So behind the dash, there's a dash bar that we didn't remove. So the cage is gonna have to get cut out. So we're gonna remove all that and then put one of the nice dashes in here, Fuel Tech. Make sure to follow my Instagram. I'm gonna be posting a lot of these parts for sale. This is about to be a process, man.
It's about to be a pile in here.
Yeah, it is. So I'm gonna get the tear down for you guys and then we get this thing pretty stripped. That way we can get everything mocked up and ready for paint.
City kinda fucked up right now. I know, Pops. Murder after murder. Beg the no run that motherfucking gang, nigga. I know. Ain't none of my niggas crash. And that's something at your motherfucking top, nigga. Montana, yeah, I'ma stand on that. Look. I got it on my mind, yeah. Whole lot of bullets flying, yeah. All my niggas slanging 9, yeah. On my mama, I ain't lying. These niggas be bitches, these bitches with them in disguise. They claiming that they real, but I can see it in their eyes. You know I'm out that gang, and you know that I won't stop. Don't go against the grain, bitch, we headed to the top. You bitches don't want war with us, yeah. You niggas don't want war with us, yeah. You bitches don't want war with us. Check me out, so yeah.
Bro, it hasn't even been an hour.
It looks a lot better now.
It looks a lot cleaner than what it did earlier. So next step, we're gonna drop the swap drive line and try to sell as much as we could. Like I said, if you guys see anything for sale or you need anything off the car, make sure to DM us. But this thing is pretty much stripped. Then we're gonna prep this thing for paint and fab and just keep moving forward.
Matter. Turn to a savage, pocket got fatter. She call me daddy. Smoking that gas, gone out that Zany, she on a powder. Nowadays I am on my head, I got sadder. Money got longer, speaker got louder, car got faster. Turn to a savage, pocket got fatter. She call me daddy. Smoking that gas, gone out that Zany, she on a powder. Nowadays I am on my head, I got sadder. Money got longer, speaker got louder, car got faster. Money so all dollar spoiled. Yeah.
All right, boys, that's a wrap for day one. My boy J-Rock got crippled today. What happened to you, bro?
This shit got the best of me.
Yeah, it did. Yo, Cacho, you owe my boy some dinner or something when you get out, man.
What a day.
But car's fully stripped. I'll give you guys a quick walk around. It's not fully stripped. We got done what we could for day one. We got the windows out today. A lot of work.
This car is rough. Honestly, if this car didn't have a lot of value like to Cacho, I would have started off with a new shell.
But we'll get it, right? The complete motor and transmission's out. The interior is mostly pretty much everything's taken out. We're gonna do a dash bar and stuff, so we're gonna cut a lot of this out. Cage is coming out. We're gonna cut it out. Still a lot of work left. Motor's pretty much out. And then we're gonna basically strip the firewall tomorrow, take the subframe out, get it powder coated, weld new mounts for the motor mounts on the side. But we gotta put this bracket on so we can get the car into a roller, strip the engine transmission down, send the cores out, and then I'll see you guys tomorrow. Turbo kit's already sold. We sold a bunch of stuff on Instagram, so I'll drop my Instagram tag below. That way, if you guys need stuff in the future, just watch my stories and I'll post up everything for sale. But I'll see you guys tomorrow. What up, guys? What up, guys? So the guys pretty much got Cacho's car pretty much all stripped. There's nothing in the engine bay. Dolly's in. So what are you guys doing?
Fighting with the cage.
Fighting with the cage? The guys got the cage ripped out now. They're gonna try to get this 10-point out of the car. So now we have to cut it in a few more pieces. I don't know if that's gonna fit out the back. The reason why we're cutting the cage out because he's doing 25.5, so he's gonna have to start from brand new, from scratch. 25.5 is a lot different than a 10 point, but they're literally, I don't know. That thing coming out the back?
Look how Derek's working.
That's a tight fit. It's crazy to see a cage come out. So all that's left is the middle hoop and then the front bars, and the cage is pretty much out. We're gonna grind these all back down. You guys see the hole? That was the hole for the pumpkin, and that's the hole for the fuel cell. We're pretty much gonna cut this out and maybe do, what do you think, carbon fiber back here? This to make it look a lot cleaner. I think we're gonna tie the cage into the rear diff. It's only been you guys only had 1.5 days on here.
This car is really rough. Like,
You say that because this is all factory looking. It's not painted. It's
You gotta see the bigger picture here.
it's
It's a rough canvas, but
it's rough.
a lot of work. There's barely nothing in here though. All the stuff is here. We sold a lot of stuff already. I don't think there's anything left. I think the only thing that's left will be here. There's a dash.
Yeah, by the time this video drops, there'll probably be no more parts left.
Yeah, I'm sorry about that, you guys. So that's why it's best to follow us on social media. That way you guys can see everything that's for sale. But I'll drop a quick montage of what's, what we did here. And then next stage
You know what's crazy? Cacho used to race his car without a cage.
Yeah, that's scary. So I'll drop a quick montage of basically how the car's current state is right now. And then we're gonna start back on this car on Monday, figure out what we're gonna do, come up with a game plan, start ordering parts, because parts are gonna take forever to get here.
Yeah, it do not matter. Turn to a savage, pocket got fatter, she call me daddy. Smoking that gas, got all that Zany, she on a powder. Nowadays I am on my head, I got sadder. Money got longer, speaker got louder, car got faster. Turn to a savage, pocket got fatter, she call me daddy. Smoking that gas, got all that Zany, she on a powder. Nowadays I am on my head, I got sadder. Money got longer, speaker got louder, car got faster. Money so $1 spoiled.
All right, guys, we got the car all stripped, ready for fab work. It's crazy what we did in just about, what, a day and a half, 2 days?
It hasn't even been 24 hours. You gotta think about it. We started yesterday at 12 o'clock and we were here till 5:30. And then all today we finished by lunchtime, pretty much.
So I'll give you guys one last walk around. I don't know how long this video will be or short. This is all I got for the car until it goes out to fab work. There's nothing else that could be done until I get actually motor mounts, mock-up engine in here. The plan is to get the car to fab. I'm gonna get the basically cage done, the back end of the car finished, put a mock-up motor after we get the car back from fab, and then fab up everything on the front end. We still need to order parts, which is gonna take a month or two.
And pretty much for the most part, everything that's in the car is stuff that we're keeping, from subframe to rear diff, some stuff like that. All that stuff's gonna go out to get powder coated.
And speaking about parts, I apologize if you're watching this video because I know earlier in the video we said if we have anything for sale, if you guys are interested in anything, everything is sold.
Yeah, pretty much the only thing that was left for sale is the dash. Everything else has been sold, has been accounted for. Might sell the roof if I'm able to get him an ultra carbon, but besides that, that's pretty much it for the car. Everything else on the car is staying, we're keeping, is in good condition, so we'll refinish everything. I'm super excited for this car. We're aiming to put this car on a top 10 list.
So even with that, there is a huge difference between like the top, the top 5 spots of the list to like the bottom. What I mean by that is like to be a 7.2 car versus a 750 car is completely like, it's a big difference.
Yeah.
Believe it or
the
not.
ones that don't race, you guys think like, all right, cool, they're only like
2/10 away.
2/10 away.
It's a big difference.
Those 2/10 is a big power difference between those.
So we're trying to figure out if this is gonna be like a 7.0 car or if this is gonna be like a 730 car. It's gonna make a huge difference in what we're about to do. Should we like make the car lighter? What we need to figure out with Cacho this upcoming week is how far we wanna take this. Do you wanna make this a 6-second Civic? Do you wanna make this like a low 7-second car? That's the plan here. I'm gonna try to figure out what he wants to do. If he wants to try to break the world record K-Series, like I don't know what's gonna happen here. I appreciate you guys for watching. Subscribe to the channel, stay tuned for more updates. This is gonna be on the back burner for a little bit because we need to figure out plans and obviously fab. And then after that, once we get the car back, you'll see more content of this. We have the white car coming back from paint, Jordan's car.
And the other car. the red hatch that we sent out. That car is almost done. I won't tell you what color that car is, but we're gonna go pick it up. We'll show you guys who painted it. This is a different paint that you guys haven't seen, but we've been using for a little while. So I'll show you guys that in the upcoming videos.
Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video.